Today we'll be staying at the Park Hyatt Kyoto. This is a 1 Michelin key hotel which represents a very special stay. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to see more content like this. The Park Hyatt Kyoto is located in the historic Higashiyama district with views of the famous Yasaka Pagoda. Once I was escorted into the lobby, I was offered a choice of welcome drink while they completed the check-in process. The lobby features an area called the living room, which has lots of seating and a wine bar, and we'll visit that later on in the video. I used 45,000 points and a suite upgrade award to confirm the park suite for my one-night stay. There are only a total of 9 suites out of the 70 rooms on property. Once you enter the room, you're welcomed with views of your private garden. The living room has a small couch and chairs, a TV, as well as a minibar. There was also a plate of delicious strawberries waiting as a welcome gift. The minibar is well stocked with water, Nespresso pods, premium tea, and alcohol. The bedroom had a firm but comfy king bed and a nice chair at the foot of the bed. There are some nice touches like the artwork and the books, and there's also another large TV in here. The bathroom is beautifully decorated and even had heated floors, which was a first for me in any hotel. I definitely appreciated this feature during the cold weather in January. On the right is a large shower with rainfall head and a large soaking tub. The bathroom amenities were all by the premium brand Aesop. The closet is very spacious and I like the large bench that could hold multiple suitcases. There was also plenty of drawers if you wanted to unpack. The opposite side had even more storage if you needed it as well. It took me a little longer than I'd like to admit to find the toilet, which is behind this mirror at the back. It connects to the foyer, which you can access from the front, and you can also lock the door so there is no access to the closet and the rest of the bathroom. The gym is also located on the 3rd floor, just past an automated door to keep the sound levels down. The gym setup is a little different to say the least, and I only ever saw one other person using any equipment. Just past the gym is the entrance to the bathhouse. The bathhouse is small, but features some lockers, a sauna, steam room, and a cold plunge and hot whirlpool. The 4th floor has some amazing views of the Yasaka Pagoda and has their teppanyaki restaurant Yasaka. I had a reservation at the Kohaku bar just before sunset to get some great views. The drinks were great and decently priced for a luxury hotel. I then made my way back down to the living room where there was a complimentary champagne hour for globalists. There was live music playing and the refills were prompt and generous. When I got back to my room, I was a little hungry, so I ordered room service and got a burger and truffle fries, which were pretty solid. The following morning, I headed over to the Kyoto Bistro where breakfast is served. The buffet spread was solid, but not as extensive as I would have expected, and wasn't at the level of the Conrad Yasaka that I stayed at a few days prior. I had their special Kiyomoto breakfast, which is made in-house by their one Michelin star restaurant. This must be reserved in advance, and there's an upcharge for it even for globalists.
The name in Japan. So usually Koshihikari is from Niigata prefecture, like very north Japan. But this is from Kyoto, so very variable Koshihikari rice. So first you can enjoy a little bit hard.
There were some hit or misses for me during breakfast, and I'm not a fan of the upcharge, but it's still a great experience to at least try once. Overall, I had a great stay at the Park Hyatt Kyoto, and it lived up to the hype.